I was asked, how can my program, the independent welding program, and how could the seminar, Welding and Hip Hop, really benefit you? You might not even enjoy hip hop, but you enjoy the welding part of the seminar. The hip hop part of the seminar means I am a hip hop person. I'm from that culture. So I understand those who are independent artists, or those who just like listening to hip hop, or those who respect it. I'm just saying this is part of it. I'm saying welding hip hop because I'm an artist, and that I'm showing my artist side, but also I'm teaching you how to obtain a trade. So if you're trying to finance your artist career, this welding part of the seminar can help you do that. And the independent welding program gives you the tools and the equipment you need, so that way you can be independent. I'm gonna show you how to come out here and get a check, man. I'm out here daily on the grind by myself. And you know what I did? I left my city where I'm from. I left Arkansas. I'm a hog. I left Arkansas and moved way to Phoenix. I don't have no friends, no families, no associates, nothing. I just moved out here and made it happen. So if I can get the tools I need and start the networking before I made it here, so that way it got a little bit easier for me, I can teach you something, man. I can show you how to do this. So if that's what you want to do, hit me up, 480-430-6591, or hogonwelding@gmail.com. Black Phoenix.